Welcome back, guys, and in this episode we are talking about how you set up your brand. That means a new logo, colors, typography, and also a primary button style. And yeah, if you want to see more content like this, leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let's directly dive in and let's see how we can set up our brand. So the first thing we want to do is changing the logo, and in the layer you see that we have a simple brand logo, and within the symbol or component we have three variations: a brand icon, a white colored version for the dark mode, and a dark colored version for the light mode. And within the variations we have three groups. We can delete these groups for now because we are now changing it to the new icon. Let's make sure that we have the brand icon selected. Now go into your folder on your computer and just drag the icon in and make sure that everything is aligned. Then make sure that the white colored version is selected and drag your new logo in and make sure that everything is aligned, and the same for the dark version. Make sure that everything is aligned. And now when we zoom out and take a look into the preview area here, we see that the logo directly appears and everything works. So this is how easily you can change the brand logo, and you can create as much variations you want. If you want a full white version, a full black version, or whatever versions you need, you can define them, but we are not diving in how to work with variations in Figma. So then let's change the color palette, because we have this new color here right now, and we have two options. We can mark the layer with the color and go from here into the area and then go to edit style, or we can define all our colors here from this area. So let's go to edit and grab the new color. This is a rough version right now, but you get an idea how it works. So for now we have the color set up, and when we go to the preview, we also see that all colors are reacting, so the typography, the button style, and the icon colors, everything is reacting how it should be. And this is how easily you can set up all your colors. Let's change the typography of the new brand. So for now we say our brand has a serif font, a Playfair, and I highly recommend a plugin called Batch Styler. With Batch Styler you have the opportunity to change all the styles with one step, and for now we can go and mark up to H5 because everything else is Roboto, but these headlines are with the Barlow. And now we say we want the Playfair display, and we don't want the bold one, we want the regular one, and we just update the styles and the magic happens, and you see that everything is working great and everything looks great. And when we take a look into the playground for now, we directly see that also every component within FigMagic reacts to the changes we already did. And now let's define the button style for our new company, and this is super easy. We just select the button and then we see a lot of options for this component, and this is where the real magic of FigMagic starts. So we can really define every kind of button you will ever need in your life. Is it a big one or a small one? Is it a hover or a normal state? Is it an icon on the left side, or is it an icon on the right side? Is it an 8 pixel rounded? Is it a hard edge? Is it a full rounded button or whatever? Is it a white one? Maybe it's only an icon. But for now, let's say we have a filled, and for the primary don't need an icon. So this is our primary button, but you see everything is really reacting how it should be. And yeah, after 5 minutes our brand is set up, and now we can go into our design area and start working on our new design. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you like what you see. See you in the next episode with another topic. And yeah, if you like what you see, leave me a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And yeah, see you next time.